Hey everyone, in this video we will compare Zcal and Calendly. Zcal and Calendly are the best appointment scheduling software depending on your needs. Zcal is a scheduling tool designed to simplify meeting coordination with a focus on user-friendly design and customization. The platform supports various meeting types, including one-on-one sessions, group meetings, and meeting polls. Some users have noted areas for improvement, such as limited customization options and the presence of Zcal branding in communications. Calendly is one of the most popular appointment scheduling tools designed for individuals, businesses, and enterprises. It also supports team scheduling, allowing businesses to manage availability across multiple users efficiently. However, its pricing can be higher than alternatives like Zcal or Tidycal, and customization options are limited. In my opinion, Calendly is best for teams, while Zcal is better for individuals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.